Hello everyone and welcome to Isaiah Milde Eats. This is a new channel I'm starting up. This is my food channel, food videos, food content. I got some stuff planned for future videos. First one's going up next Friday, and they're going to be going up every single Friday for at least this whole year, and then maybe I'll revisit the schedule and see if I want to make any changes or anything, but as of right now, the plan is every single Friday for the entire year. That being said, this is something that I think I can benefit from a lot of interaction. So if you have any ideas of things, like just random foods to try, or any suggestions of anything food related, let me know. Put it in the comments of whatever video, and I'll probably check it. I read every single comment I get. Food reviews, like new food products or cooking stuff, like, I don't know, any food you can think of that you think I should try cooking and see if I like it. Put it there. I'll make a video of cooking it and then trying it, and it'll be fun. Coming up, I actually have one. I'm going to try a couple different eggplant recipes because I've never had eggplant before, and I want to see how well it works as a substitute for mushrooms, because I don't like mushrooms. It'd be nice to have a substitute for mushroom dishes. I'm exaggerating my eyebrows for some reason. But yeah, just anything. No mushrooms. Yeah, this is a very quick video. Welcome to the food channel. With all that being said, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll eat with you guys next time.